not everything we do is cottage town. We also have amazing condos and apartments in the city of Medellin, mostly Poblado, Envigado, and Sabaneta. Right now, we're in an area called San Lucas. Um, this is a very special area in Medellin. It's actually in the limits of Poblado and Envigado. And we're gonna be seeing this amazing property right now. Watch. This is the building that we're gonna be seeing right now. It's called Camino de Aviñón in San Lucas. It is a great apartment. Look at that. So we go through here, and we're just gonna go around the condominium just to see what it's like. You have this little area right here to enjoy with kids. This is not per se a complete unit. What we call a complete unit is it only has this pad that you go around the property, and you only go around the building. This is not a building that has a lot of stuff. It only has a room where you can gather to have parties and so on. The building, I'm gonna find out and I'll give you the information about how old it is though. The area is absolutely amazing. I mean, the area, oh, I would imagine this is it. Um, but the area is adorable because it's surrounded by green. We have that a lot here though. We're all surrounded by green. So now let's go up there, upstairs, and look at the apartment. The apartment that we're gonna see is a low floor. It's a second floor. I never seen it. Let's see what surprise this brings us now. One thing about this area is that it is beautiful. It's a beautiful area though. And I know I say that a lot, so I'm gonna have to start finding different words to describe all these areas because we are surrounded by magnificent, stunning, green, beautiful areas. One thing I really like though, when I see very special cars in the parking lot of the buildings, I really like it. I think it's also a very good, signal about the people that live in this building. You know, you see the apartment. Look at this beautiful apartment. Let's go look at the terrace first. I really like this. Huh. Nice ample terrace. So you can have a lot to enjoy. Look at this. Gorgeous. Open kitchen. Another studio area. So this is it for this property. It's a condo, 2-bedroom condo with made accommodations, a nice ample terrace to enjoy in a beautiful area of the city. Goodbye for now. My name is Thomas, realestatemedellin.info, bringing you more beautiful properties. Let us know if you have any questions. Information is below. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye. We are now going to maybe take some more, let's do some more video, more properties. Let me guys know what you guys want to see. You guys want to see condos? You want to see mansions? Please let me know, and I will try to do that for you. A great condo. Goodbye for now.